This is how you make my Gruyere chicken with French onion sauce in one pan. It's from the autumn chapter of my book, Tasteful. You can use 4 or 6 small chicken fillets, or if they're very large, cut them in half. I'm just doing 4 today. Season the chicken fillets and just sear them in 20 grams of butter in a skillet. They don't need to be cooked all the way through, but brown them on both sides. Then remove the chicken from the pan and add 80 grams of butter together with 4 large onions which have been thinly sliced. I use a food processor. You need to cook them over low heat for around 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're well caramelized. In the meantime, crush 4 large cloves of garlic and slice 250 grams of Gruyere, or you can use raclette or tilsit, and mix up a cup of beef stock. Add the garlic to the pan and saute that until it's softened. Then turn off the heat, and now we're going to flambe. Add 1/4 cup of brandy, then turn on the heat, tilt the pan and allow the brandy to flame, to burn off all of the alcohol before you add the stock and 1 tablespoon of mustard. Add a few thyme sprigs and return the chicken to the pan. Top with cheese. Cover and simmer until the cheese melts and the chicken is cooked all the way through. Sprinkle that with some pepper and some extra thyme leaves. Serve it with a glass of Chardonnay. I like Scotchman's Hill. That's my Gruyere chicken with French onion sauce.